Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Munai. Today I need to discuss about some problem of determinant. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. The question is given: solve 1 plus x 1 1 1 1 plus x 1 1 1 1 plus x is equal to 0. You see, R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. You observe here, if you add these three, you can get x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3. Okay, that means this is equal to R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Only R1 will change. Okay, that is x plus 3. Here also x plus 3. Here also x plus 3. Here 1 1 1 plus x 1 1 1 plus x. Okay, taking common x plus 3, taking common x plus 3. You see, in all the cases you can get x plus 3. That means taking common x plus 3 from this is R1, from R1. Okay, that is x plus 3 1 1 1 1 1 plus x 1 1 1 1 plus x. Okay, now you take C2. C2 tends to C2 minus C1. C3 tends to C3 minus C1. Okay, C2, that means this will change and this will change. X plus 3 okay, this is 1 minus 1 0, this is 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 0, this is 1 plus x minus 1, only x, here 0, here 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, this is 1 plus x minus 1, that is only x. Okay, is equal to, you see, x plus 3. Okay, 1 into x square is equal to 0. That means x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x square is equal to 0. Okay, that is x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 0 is the solution. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, solve by Cramer's rule. The question is given 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, 3x minus 2y is equal to 3. Okay, you write the coefficient of x and y. Okay, that is 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2. You take its del. Find the determinant of this. You can get what? 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, minus 3 into minus 3, that is plus 9. Okay, is equal to 5. Next you find del x. Del x is equal to, in the place of 2 3 you write 7 3, 7 3 minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 7 into 2 minus 14 minus 3 into minus 3, this become plus 9. Okay, is equal to minus 5. Del y is equal to how much, you see, 2 3. In the place of coefficient of y you put 7 3 is equal to 6, 2 into 3 6 minus 3 into 7 21 is equal to 15. Minus 15 is equal to minus 15. Now x is equal to del x by del is equal to, del x is equal to minus 5, del is equal to 5 minus 1, y is equal to del y by del y is equal to minus 15 by 5, del is equal to 5 is equal to minus 3. The solution of this equation, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 3. Pause the video, note it down. Again you see the next question. This is your question number 8. Okay, You see the next question. Solve by Cramer's rule. X plus y plus z is equal to 3, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 9, x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now del is equal to, we have to write the coefficient of x, y, z 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, minus 4. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, minus 4. Find the determinant. How much you can get? 1 into 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12, minus 2 into 8 is equal to 8, minus 1 into 2 into minus 4, minus 8. Okay, minus 1 into 4, minus 4, plus 1 into 2 into 2, 4, minus 3, 1 into 3, 3 is equal to minus 20. This is minus 12 minus 1 plus 12. Okay, this is plus 1 is equal to how much? Minus 20 plus 13, minus 20 plus 13 is equal to minus 7. Okay, del is equal to minus 1. Next to find del x. Del x, 3, 9, minus 1. You put here 3, 9, minus 1 in the coefficient of x. Okay, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, minus 4 is equal to how much? 3 into 4 into minus 3, 3 into minus 4, minus 12, minus 2 into 4, 8, minus 1 into 9 into minus 4, 36, minus 36, plus minus 1 into 4, that is plus 4. Okay, plus 1 into 18, 9 into 2, 18, plus 3. Okay, is equal to, this is 20 into 3 minus 60, minus 20 into 3 minus 60. This is minus 32, minus 32 minus 1, that is plus 32. Here 21 plus 21. Okay, that is 32 plus 21, 3, 53, 53 minus 60, minus 60 plus 53 is equal to minus 7. Okay, next to find del z. Del z is equal to del y. Del y is equal to 1 to 1. Okay, in the place of coefficient of y you put 3, 9, minus 1, 3, 9, minus 1, 1, 4, minus 4. Okay, is equal to 1 into 9 into minus 4, minus 36, plus minus 1 into 4, 4, minus 3 into 4 into 2, 2 into minus 4, 2 into minus 4, minus 8, minus 4, 1 into 4, minus 4, plus 1 into 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 9, 1 into 9, minus 9 is equal to, you see, this is minus 32, this is minus 12, minus 3, plus 36, this is minus 11. Okay, is equal to how much? 36, here 32, 11, 43 minus 36, plus 7. Okay, here minus 7. Okay, here you can get minus 7. Then you find del z. Del z is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2. In the place of coefficient of z you put 3, 9, minus 1. Okay, is equal to 1 into 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 2 into 9, 18, minus 1 into minus 2, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 into 9, 9. This is 9, 9, plus 3 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, minus 1 into 3, 3 is equal to minus 21. Here minus 11, minus 1, plus 11, here 1 into 3, 3 is equal to minus 21, plus 14 is equal to minus 7. Okay, x is equal to del x by del is equal to minus 7 by minus 7. You see, del x is equal to minus 7, del x equal to minus 7, del is equal to minus 7, 1. y is equal to del y by del y is equal to -7, del is equal to -7 is equal to 1, z is equal to del z by del z is equal to -7, del is equal to -7 is equal to 1. That means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1 is the solution. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, find the minor and cofactor of the determinant. Okay, minor can be denoted by mij. Here you write minor of a. Suppose this is a. Oh, okay, suppose this is a. M minor of a, minor of a, M11 is equal to, for this element 6 into 11, 6, 10, 7, 11 is equal to 66 minus 70 is equal to -4. M12 is equal to, for this element 5 into 11, 55, 9 into 7 minus 63, okay, is equal to how much? -8. M13 for this element 5 into 10, 50 minus 9 into 6, 54 is equal to -4. M21 is equal to, for this element 2 into 11, 22 minus 10 into 3, 30 is equal to -8. M22 for this element 1 into 11, 11 minus 9 into 3, 27, okay, 6 minus 16. M23 is equal to, for this element 1 into 10, 10 minus 9 into 2, 18 is equal to -8. M31 is equal to, for this element 2 into 7, 14 minus 10 into 9, 6 into 9, 2 into 7 minus 6 into 3, 18 is equal to -4. M32 is equal to 1 into 7, for this element 1 into 7, 7 minus 5 into 3, 15. You see, this element means this column and this row have to subtract, then you find 1 into 7, 7, 5 into 3, 15 is equal to -8. M33 for this element we have to subtract this and this, 1 into 6, 6 minus 5 into 2, 10 -4. Okay, then cofactor of a, C11 is equal to -1, 1 plus 1, M11 is equal to 1 into M11 is equal to -4, is equal to -4. Okay, C12 -1, 1 plus 2, M12 is equal to -1, -1 to the power 3, there is -1, M12 is equal to -8, is equal to 8. C13 -1, 1 plus 3, M13 is equal to -1, is equal to 1, is equal to 1 into M13 is equal to -4, is equal to -4. C21 is equal to -1, 2 plus 1, M21 is equal to -1, M21 is equal to -8, is equal to 8. C22 is equal to -1, 2 plus 2, M22 is equal to 1 into M22 is equal to -16, is equal to -16. C23 -1, 2 plus 3, M23 is equal to -1, M23 is equal to -8, is equal to 8. Okay, C 3 1 is equal to minus 1, 3 plus 1 m3 1 is equal to 1 into m3 1 is equal to minus 4 is equal to minus 4. C3 2 minus 1 into 3 plus 2 m3 2 is equal to minus 1 into 3 2 is equal to minus 8 is equal to 8. C3 3 minus 1 3 plus 3 m3 3 is equal to 1 into m3 3 is equal to minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Therefore the cofactor of A, the cofactor of A minus 4 8 minus 4 8 minus 16 8 minus 4 8 minus 4. Okay, minus 4 8 minus 4 8 minus 16 8 minus 4 8 minus 4. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Find the value of x if ABC, BAC, XBC equal 0. You see, this is the determinant and the determinant value is equal to 0. You see, you observe here ABC, XBC. If you keep A here, then two row become same. If two row become same, the determinant equal to 0. That means x is equal to A. Okay, this is your solution. Pause the video, note it down.